BetterGrip Paint Roller is excited to introduce the VersaTool Plus, which offers many of the most popular functions of the VersaTool, combined with the money-saving feature of the new cleaning attachment. The VersaTool Plus stores a paint lid opener in the body of the tool, helping to prevent having to search for an opener the next time you need to paint. Using flat wooden stirring sticks typically provided by paint retailers, the VersaTool Plus thoroughly mixes your paint. Once mixed, simply remove the stirring stick and throw in the trash, which means one less tool to clean. When painting is completed, the angled edge of the VersaTool Plus can be used to scrape drips and spatter that may have found its way onto flat surfaces. Finally, the VersaTool Plus can be inserted into the cleaning attachment to create an amazing tool design to efficiently clean your paint roller covers. Simply place your used cover on the end of the cleaning attachment and use a drill to spin the cover in a bucket of water. You will be amazed by the results. When done properly, your paint roller covers will look and feel almost brand new. Try one today.